Hi everyone, welcome back. It's been a while, and I'm really glad to be back with this content. Thank you for sticking around. On February 3rd, 2026, the spotlight turned to Ayala Malls Manila Bay, where the stage came alive for the Binibini at Ginoong Parañaque 2026 Pre-pageant. The afternoon opened with 16 pairs of contestants, each representing a barangay of Parañaque. The opening production number was more than a performance. It was a statement of unity, preparation, and pride. Every movement and formation reflected weeks of rehearsal and dedication. To keep the focus on the visuals and performances, the original production music in this video has been replaced to avoid copyright issues. As the energy settled, the contestants returned to the stage for their self-introductions. Presented by pair, each representative confidently introduced themselves and the barangay they proudly stand for, giving the audience a glimpse of both personality and presence.
This is for Ginoong.
I am Angela Julie. Taupo!
Ginoong Parañaque.
Angelica Nesho Maximo.
La Huerta.
John Adrian Zafra,
Sheikha Marlikmon Almadia, San Antonio.
Christopher Salera Escobar,
Ella G. Lara Dolete,
Barangay Doñalo.
Reyes, Aldrich Mendoza,
Christine Lazaro Austria,
Mulwa,
Joe Colueras,
Shaina Suseda,
DFO. Dexter Balanda,
Alexis Mariana Julian, Someone.
Joshua Del Cruz onside.
Rachel Jane Arnan,
Don Bosco. Jairon Crenshaw,
Ray Johanna Lico Lobete,
Vitales. Eltron Ledesma,
Angelica Moranescapa,
Marcelo Green.
The competition moved into the swimwear round. What you see in this video is the final collective look of all the contestants. Individual performances will be featured in separate videos.
Swimwear na sa nagtagay.
Yes.
Alright.
Sinabi mo, swimwear na! Excited pa kayo?
Guys, excited pa kayo sa swimwear? Grabe, hapon-hapon tayo, no? Ladies and gentlemen, let us feel the early summer heat as our Binibinis and Ginoong struck the runways wearing the swimwear created by one of Parañaque's pride, J.M. Tandalia. This is Binibini and Ginoong Parañaque 2026 Swimwear Competition.
Throughout the afternoon, the event maintained a level of organization and grandeur rarely seen at the local level. Everything was well-paced, well-rehearsed, and professionally executed. Every contestant arrived at their game, both in looks and performance. The overall presentation carried the polish and intensity of a national pageant. This is Parañaque. This is preparation. This is pageantry. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.